A medical test is 99% accurate. You test positive for a rare disease. What's the chance you actually have it? The base rate fallacy. Why a 99% test isn't 99% certainty. Most doctors say 99%. Most patients believe them. Both are wrong. The disease affects 1 in 10,000. Imagine 10,000 people get tested. About 1 truly has the disease. The test catches that 1 true positive. But of the 999 healthy people, 1% get false positives. That's 99 false alarms. Now you have 1 true positive plus 99 fakes. If you tested positive, you're one of those 100. Only one of them is sick. So P of sick given positive is about 1 in 100, 1%. Not 99, just 1. The trap is ignoring the base rate, how rare the disease is. A 99% accurate test still drowns in false positives when truth is rare. It's why screening for rare conditions needs follow-up tests. A second positive shrinks the false alarm pool dramatically. Always ask, what's the prior? Before you panic, count both kinds of mistakes.